All right, I need a suggestion on what to do with Miss Downing's case.
Your Honor, the state
And
is ready.
she's represented by counsel, so I don't know why he's not here. On Downing, because Mr. Hudson's not here, Miss Downing did appear, so she has credit for appearing. But really, I need Mr. Hudson to figure this out, because she's living with the victim allegedly. So Miss John, has Miss Downing's attorney been speaking to her? Does she have contact with the attorney? Don't tell me if they said anything. Just does she know where he is?
I'm not sure.
Okay. All right.
Your Honor, I reached out to a friend of a friend to try to get in contact with Jacoby and sent over the Zoom meeting ID. She said she would reach out to him. So if I get a response while we're on Zoom, I'll let Your Honor know.
Thank you, Miss Benz. I really appreciate it. All right. So, Miss John, if you would just mute your device and we'll get back to you in a moment, okay? Downing is continued for Mr. Hudson to show up, and there's Mr. Hudson.
Yeah,
Mr. Hudson, we got
Yes,
an
Judge.
issue. So Miss Downing has a bond condition that she's not to have any contact with Miss Takira Jean, and they living in the
Okay.
same house together, and we're on the Zoom together.
Okay. Judge, I need to address that with Ms. Downing. Judge, this is my first time appearing before you on this matter. So I was
Mhm.
going to ask that I can get like a 30-day continuous, Judge, or you can keep it on the trial calendar and give me an opportunity to speak to Ms. Downing as well as Ms. King.
she's not here. She left out.
Okay,
Okay.
I think I scared her, but she's
Yes.
also hard
She
of
doesn't
hearing,
live
Mr.
here,
Hudson.
but
Okay.
she did leave. She came down here for the court because she's
Yes.
not understanding about the Zoom.
So she doesn't she doesn't know how to work Zoom. She's hard of hearing and she's not acquainted with her bond conditions. So that's
Okay.
what's
Okay.
on your plate right now.
Give me 30
Okay.
days, Judge. You know, I can
I'm gonna
work
get,
under
I
pressure.
know, and
You,
Mr. Hudson, I'm gonna give you some time because this is not a case where I feel like I need to bring the hammer down, but
yes, ma'am.
I do wish people would read, because we put the information right there out there for them.
Absolutely. Thank you, Judge. I'm on the 4th floor anyway, Judge, so I
All
have to stop
right.
by and see you after the calendar call.
Is there a way I can drop the case? 'Cause
Well,
it's been 3
okay, Miss
years.
John, let Mr. Hudson do what he needs to do first, okay? All right, let him at least talk to Miss Downing and figure it out.
All right.
You
Thank
got
you,
to
Judge.
ask her a question though, because she do have hard hearing.
I told him that.
Okay.
I let him know.
Thank you.
So I told him that she was hard of hearing and that she had been somewhat confused about the order, okay?
Okay.
All
Judge, you
right.
want to keep it on the September 9th calendar? That'll be fine.
Yeah, that's fine, Mr. Hudson.
Okay.
I'll keep it on the September 9th, and I'll just have that you're gonna speak to your client in the state.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Yeah, so Miss Jean, just, I'm not coming down hard on your aunt right now. I kind of get that there's some issues. So she's gonna talk to her attorney and he'll help her work it out, okay?
Okay.
All right,
Thank you.
thank you, ma'am. The court is going to sign off on the null pros of these two cases. Mr. Etienne and Miss Copeland, whatever got you here before the judge, please don't repeat that behavior.